Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. The Japanese race traders have a very easy trend analysis philosophy. They say, let the market tell you what the market is doing. As we can see, the Dow has been in this downtrend now for the last 6 months. You can see the trend channel. And the advantage for candlestick investors is you can see when there's buy signals at the bottom of the channel and sell signals up here at the top of the channel. Downtrend, uptrend. Now we're in a stage in the middle of the summer that you can pretty much calculate that we're pretty much in the summer doldrums. The markets are absolutely sideways. And you can also see that more so over here in the NASDAQ. Notice the wedge formation, the sideways market. Now in the summers like this, you've got two methods of trading this market. One, if you're trading something that's been whipsawing you, just get out of the trade. Wait for it to move in one direction or the other. As you can see, they would start up, down, up, creating a lot of whipsaw action. The other side of the coin is, if you're going to trade, you've still got the benefit of trading 9,500 trading entities using very simple candlestick scanning techniques to find the best trade setups. Even if the market is moving sideways, you're always going to find 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 good bullish trades or 2, 3, 5, 10 bearish trades. So using the patterns, our recommendation on FE was based upon this J-hook pattern setup, or the biotechs right now are creating fry pan bottom J-hook patterns. Again, the probabilities that they're going to continue to move higher. The major advantage we have is knowing what the strongest bullish and bearish signals are. You know, there's 12 major signals, 6 longs and 6 shorts, 6 or 8 patterns. And what we call the top rank signals and patterns are the combinations of candlestick signals and patterns that produce even higher probabilities of being not only in the correct trade, but very strong trades. So obviously our recommendation on CTLT was based upon this bearish best friend, gap down through the T line. Now we've got a bearish doji sandwich, probably more downside. You'd add the fact that it failed right here at the 200, obviously, and about the same level it topped out before. This is very simple analysis when you can see where everybody is buying and selling, and you can see whether there's a strong buy signal or sell signal. It just puts you in situations where the probabilities are much greater in your favor, whether the market's moving up or moving down. We also have information like this, GoEv. That's your message signal. Message signal is, it's not a very good looking signal. Opens and trades much lower. But what was the message? The message was they gapped this up. Now we look for when the profit taking is over, anticipating there's probably going to be a 45-degree off of this area. So we can take advantage of the strongest individual candlestick signals, like your bearish kicker signal. 2+2 analysis. If the markets are heading down and you've got strong sell signals, that's kind of putting the stars in alignment for you. On the other side, a bullish kicker signal gives you much better identification of a J-hook pattern. 2+2 analysis. The signal, the candle or the kicker signal telling you it's probably going to be a strong up move, and then we can see what type of pattern is creating, confirming. So we've got the benefit of knowing exactly what sell signals are occurring at levels everybody else is watching, what type of patterns It's creating a wave 1, wave 2, obvious failure at the 50. Look for wave 3. This is what we're going to be concentrating on July 23rd, this coming Saturday. We're going to do a top rank signals and patterns training. It's a full day training, but it's taking the information built into candlestick signals and patterns and identifying the ones that are combined to give you much stronger trades. This is where you can use your analysis very clearly. But if you see a bearish signal, shooting star gap down below the T line, failure at the 200, where do you think your next likely target's going to be? Back down here to the 50. So join us this coming Saturday. You'll get more than your money's worth. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.